everyone. Today it's a blessing of God that we are helping Hortensia, sending wood for her bed and her family. If you can see Maria, one of the boarders of the ministry, she's helping Hortensia to send wood for her bed. The nephews and her sons are working all together with Hortensia and me too. They are working to make their beds, you know. If you could see, they are sending the wood. It's because today we're gonna make their bed. If you could see too, Hortensia is working for herself too. Pinasa hablar sama, pinasa hablar que tenía que dar, Hortensia que tenía que dar. Kata tu cámara,
Isnohel, te echo, hola, que se ve Isnohel.
They're gonna say hello.
Kisuma, bueno,
Que te hace like.
Kisamach, hola, kisamach. Narkotik.